Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can backtest on MetaTrader 5. Now, in order to do this, you will need to download the app for Mac or Windows. On the website itself, you will not have this option, so you want to download the app directly. Now, once you have the app open and installed, you will click on View at the top, and then you want to select Strategy Tester or press Ctrl+R. Here, it's going to show you the different strategies which you can test. You have single indicator, visualized, stress and delays, complete optimization, generic optimization, forward optimization, market scanner, math calculations, and also you have the option of viewing previous results. So here you will choose whichever one you want to backtest. For example, let's do forward optimization, and you will need to set the criteria here. So which expert are you going to use, which symbol, the date, so you can do entire history or a specific time frame from the year here, and what delays do we want to use, which tick. Here you have to make sure it's set to every tick, the deposit amount, and also here you can fill out the other information. And once you have completed this, you will click on Start, and this is basically going to backtest for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.